So here's how you give critical feedback to somebody without causing them to get defensive. And the answer to this, or the solution, might not be what you expected. Whenever we give feedback, it is a stressful situation. Whenever we receive feedback, it is stressful. And when our stress levels go up, it gives rise to parts of our brain that begin to resist new ideas. We begin to rebel back into safety. So what you need to do is understand that there is a sequence in the brain that we need to follow. And by the way, sequence isn't new. We've all heard about the feedback sandwich. Start with something you like, give them the feedback, and then end with something you like. As cliche as that sounds, it still works, but I want you to understand why it works. What you're doing is you're priming the brain to be more receptive. You're creating safety in the beginning. Hey, I really like what you did, especially when you did X, Y, and Z. The area that I see that you might be able to improve might be this area right here. We don't want to lose what you did over there because this was really well done. And so when you put those together in that sequence, the brain is a lot more receptive to what's going on. But now, here's the part that you might not have expected. If you build a trusting relationship with the person, then this feedback process becomes a lot easier. If there is distrust, doesn't matter what kind of sandwich you give them, it's not going to work. It begins with building trust before the feedback begins.